Wow, if I'd have realized this guy was going that slow, I could have pulled out 3 times. Whoa. Welcome to the channel, or welcome back, whatever the case may be. Glad to have you along for the ride. Hope you're all doing very well. A while back, I'm going to say probably close to a year ago, I put out a video about my struggles with this GoPro 10 and my MacBook. I picked up the MacBook in 2020 when I started motovlogging. Watch this guy, don't do it. Yeah, those trees are probably not in a really good spot. Kind of blocking people's views. Anyway, all right. Getting distracted by squirrels and Audis. Well, the issue I was having, if I using the GoPro 7, I would take my footage, I would take the memory card, I would drag it to a folder, open up Final Cut Pro, and you know, there we go. We'd start editing a video. I tried doing that with the GoPro 10, and Final Cut Pro just froze up. And I talked about this in the video, and I had a little workaround that I had to do using the batch exporter, which normally I would only have to use that. Ooh, grab it in that corner. I would only have to use the batch exporter when I was using the 360 camera. It's an interesting road I discovered here. I'm just kind of branching out here. Of course, there's a lot of debris in it. We had some storms last night. Again, distracted. All those squirrels, man. Okay. This really made editing and everything a royal pain in the butt, because running this stuff through the batch exporter, if I had 10 video clips from recording all day during a ride, and they're each, you know, 5 minutes long, it takes 10 to 15 minutes to run each one of those clips through the batch exporter and then on to where I can actually edit them. And it really made editing not fun anymore. So I started doing a little bit more research yesterday when I was at work. You know, just started floating around the internet. You know, like, you know what, there's got to be a solution by now. You know, either from GoPro or from Apple. Wow, fancy. We even got stone lions out in front. Woo-hoo! Oh, okay. Again, now I'm getting distracted by lions. You know, squirrels, lions, Audis, whatever. So what I found for a possible fix was that the older, which, yeah, it's 3 years old now, so I guess it's an older MacBook with the Intel chips still, before they put the M1s and the M2s in these things, that other people were having this problem as well. Well, they have since updated, or actually put out a new operating system. I think it's Ventura. I was on Monterey, and I decided, you know what, I'm just going to go ahead and update. I'm going to go ahead and update the OS on my computer, and I'll try that. And if that doesn't work, then I'll update the firmware on the GoPro and see if that works. Get through, update the operating system. I happen to have my GoPros with me at work and my memory card reader. Dumped some footage in there. Actually, 2 different style. One that I was playing around with shooting at 24 frames per second. So I dumped that in there and it worked fine. And then, wow, if I'd have realized this guy was going that slow, I could have pulled out 3 times. Whoa. Okay. was I? I don't know. I don't know where I was, and I don't know where I am. All right, so I put some footage in there of the 24 frames per second footage that I had shot, and then also I had some other stuff at 30 frames per second just to see if maybe that would make a difference. This is all 4K stuff though. It all worked flawlessly. As the old saying goes, I was happier than a pig in shit. So now it seems as though I can just go about my business and stop using the exporter to do whatever it did to my footage. That's really all I got for this one, guys. I hope you all are having a great day and enjoying your summer. It's finally getting a little bit warm here. We're up to about 84 degrees. But there's some steam in the air. But that's all right. So until next time, guys, get out, enjoy the road, enjoy the ride. We'll see you.